Welcome to Unit 5 of the Intro to Chemistry curriculum, States of Matter. In this unit, we will explore the fascinating world of matter and its various forms. From the solid structure that shape our everyday lives to the fluid dynamics of liquids and the invisible dance of gases, we will uncover the unique properties and behaviors that define each state. A key focus will also be on the intermolecular forces, or IMFs, which play a crucial role in determining how matter behaves and transitions between these states. 5.1 will be on intermolecular forces, 5.2 will be on solids, 5.3 will be on liquids, and 5.4 will be on gases. First, 5.1 on intermolecular forces. Basically, IMFs are forces of attraction between molecules, which influences physical properties and behaviors of certain molecules. And then remember, ionic and covalent bonds are not IMFs because they occur between atoms. IMFs will vary in strength, and the strength of the IMF actually will determine the state of matter, whether it's a solid, liquid, or gas. Now we will go into the different states of matter. Basically, states of matter are the different forms that matter can take up. Matter is anything that can have mass and takes up space, like the air we breathe, the water we drink, and also the food that we eat. There are three main kinds of states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. And now we will go into each of these states of matter. Next, 5.2 on solids. There are strong IMFs between these molecules that pulls them close together, and as such, these particles are packed closely and they don't move much, as can be seen in the two pictures. So, they have definite shape and definite volume. For example, a rock or a box is a solid. You can hold it in your hand and it can keep its shape. Next, 5.3 on liquids. As can be seen in the picture, these particles are close, but they can move around much more freely than the particles in the solids. And as such, this allows the liquids to take the shape of their container while still having definite volume. So, these liquids have indefinite shape, but definite volume. If you pour, for example, water into a glass, it will take the shape of a glass. If you pour the water into a box, it will take the shape of a box, but there is still the same amount of water, so the same amount of volume. The final lesson for Unit 5 is 5.4, gases. As can be seen in the picture, the particles are very far apart and have a lot of room to move freely in all directions, so they move around very quickly. This means that gases have indefinite shape and indefinite volume. The gases will be spread out to fill the entire space of their container. For example, the air that we breathe is a gas. If you blow up a balloon, the air takes the shape of the balloon. And that's all for Unit 5, States of Matter. I hope everyone had fun learning about each state of matter and how they are all connected to IMFs. But of course, it's important to remember that these states of matter can change from one to another when energy is added or removed. For example, when you heat ice, a solid, it melts into water, which is a liquid. And also, if you heat water, it can turn into steam, which is a gas. Understanding the relationship between states of matter can help us learn about the world around us and how different materials behave.